I'm playing. Okay, dude, I'm playing. Good song. Hmm. Okay. Watch out. Oh, wow. I know, I know. No, 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 no. Thunderstorm. Okay. Then.
National Weather Service location has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Midfield County, North Central Coldora, Sweet County, North Central Coldora, Red West County, North Central Coldora. National Weather Service stop radar indicating severe thunderstorm located southwest of Peyton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stonington, Galva, Cashtown, Peyton. The main threat of this storm will be quarter-sized hail. This is a dangerous storm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, or get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from the ground.
I'm gonna lag. Oh no, you're so you so and sad. Oh, I love you so look at me so okay. And like a me like Trying to be in fit.
The National Weather Service in Hayden has issued a tornado warning for Midfield County, north central Coldora. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Hayden, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near Hayden, Ashtown, Redfield, Green Lake. This is a very dangerous storm. For your protection, seek shelter in a strong building. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or a vehicle, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in a nearest ditch or on a low spot and cover your head with your hands.
What? Oh no. He in there. He's on there, dude. Yeah, boy. The magic that is on the way for videos. Oh, you know what? You can just take TV for this. Thunderstorm, thunderstorm. Okay, dude. Where am I? I'm gone. Dude. Hold on, here's the first. go. Yep. Oh, we can let's pump our car to Lego. Drive with two sound. Or don't or maybe it's the meter sound. The meter or the I with you. Can you? And bye guys. We gonna go tomorrow or video, okay? Bye.